Good morning, all of you. I am Professor Vibhuti CP from KJ Somaya College. I am going to teach you the agrochemicals. It is a part of the Industrial Chemistry TYBSc class. Let's start our topic, agrochemicals. Here, the various chemicals which is used in agriculture to improve the crop production. It's called agrochemicals. In most cases, the agrochemicals refer to the broad range of pesticides including insecticides, herbicides, and nematicides. All these terms we learn in our topic. And here, for the increasing the crop production, we use also another chemicals, that is synthetic fertilizer, hormones, and the chemical growth agent. We learn one by one in our lecture. Next, first we learn what is pest. Pests are the animal or the plant which harmful to the crop or which decreases the crop production. Okay, let me learn. And for controlling that pest, we use the chemicals that is called as the pesticides. That is, this pesticide is derived from the two word. First, that is the kido. Kido means to kill, and second word is pest or the harmful organism to the crop. Then the proper definition is the pesticides are the substances or the chemicals that suppress, control, or prevent or repel the pest. Okay, that is called as a pesticides. We learn the first classification of the pesticides. There are the different pesticides is there. First, that is herbicides. We can see here. What is the herbicide? Side means what? Kill, to kill. And herbs, that means the chemicals which is useful for to kill the herbs. Here we can see these are the herbs is there, or weeds or the plants are there which is harmful for the crop production. That's why we use herbicides. Second type, that is the insecticides. That is, sides means to kill. Here the chemicals which is useful for to kill the insects, that is called as insecticides. Rodenticides, that is the substance or the chemicals which is useful for to kill the rodent, that is the rat, mite. These are the rodent which is also very harmful for the crop production. That's why we use the rodenticides. Next one, there is the fungicides. You can see in our farm the most of the fungi which attack on the crop, and that's why the crop production going to decreases, and that's why we use the chemicals which is kill the fungi or the plant pathogen, that is called as the fungicides. Next classification, that is acaricides or miticides. That means the chemicals which kills the mites. Okay, and the next next chemicals, that is a molluscicide. That is here which is kill the molluscan, that is the snails or the slug from our farm, that is called as a molluscicides. Let me learn the first pesticides, that is insecticides. Here there are the main three attack modes. These mode are how the pesticides attack on the pest. There are the three modes of action. First, that is a contact poison. Second one, that is the stomach poison, and third one, that is the systemic poison. First, what is the contact poison? Contact poison means here we can directly use these chemicals on the that pest, that is direct contact poison. Second one, that is stomach poison. That means what? Whenever that pest which eat that chemical, then the chemical goes to the stomach and which poisoning to their stomach, and that's why this that's why here that pest going to kill, that is called as the stomach poisoning mode of action. Next, that is the systemic poison. Systemic poison, that means what? Here we apply that chemicals or the pesticides on the root of that plant, and then through the root, here you can say here these chemicals which is goes to the all part of the plant. And here whenever this insect which eat that leaves of the plant or any part of the plant, here this insect or that pest which going to kill, that is called as a systemic poison. There are the different modes of action. Let me learn the first pesticides, that is the insecticides. Okay, then here you can see these are the insects which is very harmful for our plant. That's why we use insecticides. Here these insecticides were derived from the word that insectum. This is the Latin word which means here codere. Here codere means to kill, and insectum, that is cut. Here the insecticide is an agent which kills the insect, that is called as insecticides. These are the example of the insecticide. If you know, insect killing soap. Okay, here let me learn some examples of the insecticides. The very well examples are DDT, acinates, aldrin. Here there is a perithrin is there, oil, soap, BSC we can use. Okay, let me learn the classifications of the insecticides. There are the two different classifications are there. First classification, which is based on the entry to the insecticides into the body of the insect. Okay, that means we learn the mode of action. The first, that is the contact poison. Second, stomach poison. Third, fumigant, and the last one is the systemic insecticides. Okay, let me learn the first, contact poison. What is the contact poison? Here these insecticides are capable of gaining a entry to insect body. That means whenever we directly apply that poison to the pest, here this pest which is going to the inner part of the body of the pest through what, spiracles or trachea or through the cuticle itself. Hence this poison can kill the insect by mere coming in contact with the body of the insects. The examples are the DDT. Second, here last time we learned the direct poisoning. Sorry, here like this is the contact poison. That means here this contact poison, this spray, that is this chemicals which is directly contact on this pest. This is the pest. This is the pest. Here this pest which is comes into the through body of that pest by the different way. This is called as a direct contact poisoning. Next type, that is stomach poison. Stomach poison, that is the insecticides apply on the leaves and other part of the plant when injected acts on the digestive system of the insect and bring about the kill of the insect. That means this, whenever this insect which eat that substances or the chemical, then these substances which is going to the digestive system of the insect, and this insect going to kill. That type of the poisoning is called as a stomach poison. Here the examples of are the calcium arsenate, lead arsenates. Next type, that is a fumigant. Fumigant, that is these are the chemical substances which are the volatile at ordinary temperature and sufficiently toxic to the insect. That means this chemicals is fumigated on the insects, and here that's why the insect going to kill. The examples are aluminium phosphide, carbon disulfides. Next, that is systemic insecticides. That is the chemicals which are the capable of moving through the vascular system of the plant irrespective of the sites of the application and poisoning the insect that feed on the plant. The examples are methyl dimetane, Phosphemidone and the acifin. Systemic insecticides we learn last slide. That what happened here, the chemicals which is passed through the root of the plant, and here this chemicals which is goes to the throughout the body part of that plant, and here whenever this insect which is eat the leaf of the plant, that time here this insect or the pest going to kill. That is called as the systemic poison. Next type we learn, that is the next classification based on the chemical compounds. Here there are the two types of the chemical compounds, inorganic insecticides and the organic insecticides. Here let we learn the first, that is the inorganic insecticides. Here the comprise compounds of the mineral and the element sulfur. That means here we use the inorganic compound, that is the elemental minerals and the sulfur. This group include the arsenate, okay, as a insecticide, the sulfur as acaricides, and zinc phosphate as a rodenticides. But the zinc phosphate is or the sulfur useful for the acaricides, and the zinc phosphate which is useful as a rodenticide, that means to kill the rodents. Next type, there is the organic insecticide. There are the three types of the organic insecticide. The first, insecticides of the animal origin. They are here the neurotoxin isolated from the animals, that is a fish oil rosin soap from the fishes. Here the next type, that is the plant origin insecticides or botanical insecticide. Here nicotinoid or rotinoids are the examples of the plant insecticides. That means these are the compounds which extracted from the plants. Next, that is the synthetic organic insecticide. That means what, the organic compound which can be prepared in the laboratory. The examples are DDT, BHC, these are the synthetic organic insecticides. Okay, then thank you for watching this slide. Thank you very much.